Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the UK, as well as for France, Germany, Holland and Austria. That basically means all the products you see me use today are available to purchase from me. So, shall we get started? Today's card is going to be my actual catalogue card. So if you have a catalogue from me, you'll receive one of these alongside it, which is super cute and super fun. And it's using the Good Morning Magnolia stamp set, which is just one stamp set. However, because there's so many wonderful stamps, it is split across two cases. So you can see here we'll be using the little leaf as well as this little bud, as well as the thanks that you see here. So let's move that out of the way and move our card to the top. Straighten up a little bit. So I am bringing in a piece of Whisper White thick cardstock, measuring the standard C6 size, so 10.5 by 14.8. I don't know why I had to think about that, but I did. And I'm grabbing in a piece of cardstock, which is our Pretty Peacock colour, which is a new in colour, and that's 9.6 by 14, so that's 8 centimetres smaller than our card base, and that just gives us a nice little white border all the way around our card. So we're not going to attach it straight away because we're going to be doing some embossing, because we want the leaf and the magnolia to be on our card like so. So putting the embossing buddy all over. I'm going to bring in my stamps like so. Thanks can sit to one side for now because I don't need it just yet. And I'm going to bring in my Versamark ink pad, and I'm just going to stamp this randomly all over. Now the trick is to try not touching your card stock once you've used your embossing buddy, and the reason for that is you do not want to create any static on the cardstock by putting greasy fingerprints everywhere. And by greasy fingerprints I mean just the natural greases your fingers have on them. So just stamp this like so, and then go back in with the leaf. I think I want another one just down here to fill out that space. Take a leaf just to fill out the blank areas. Feel free to rotate it, move it round so that you don't have continuous. Do one upside down. Like so. So that's all stamped up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in some tweezers as well as my embossing powder. Going to tip the embossing powder over the images like so. Again, try not to touch it because we don't want any static to be created or grease marks. And then at the bottom. So I'm going to put this away for now. Going back up our example, which I've got embossing powder all over, and I'm just going to give this a good tap off. And quickly give it a blow. Just to get all the excess off. Before coming in with my paintbrush, which I've put away, just to get the last little strands that might remain off. But looking at that, it looks pretty good to me. And then we're just going to heat set this so that it's all set. And there you have that all heat set even, like so. And that just creates such a pretty patterned piece of cardstock. So I'm just moulding it slightly just so it goes back to its straightish ways. So quickly swipe all the mess off. So like so. So that's all done. We can now attach that to our card face. So I'm going to get some dimensionals. And just pop these on the back, like so. And actually, I need to share a tip with you that another demonstrator gave. So what I would suggest doing is drawing lines on the back of your dimensionals like this. And the reasons why is because once you have the backing off, you can't see where you have or haven't removed the dies. So I know you've probably seen in previous videos where I'm tapping it like so just to check. Well, now I don't need to because I know this one, this one, and this one. These their backs taken off and these ones already have. So that's a super fun top tip from someone in the same team as me. And I'm just going to pop that in the centre of our card like so. Now for the sentiment, because of all the detail happening in the background, I wanted to keep it super simple so that you can look at the beautiful nature of the coloured cardstock rather than concern yourself with everything else that's going on with the sentiment. So sometimes less is more. So I'm going to take my thanks and stamp that onto basic black cardstock. Bring back my embossing powder. just sprinkle that over. Like so. Oh, there's just like a little bit here. Just push away. There we go. And just heat set that as well. So that's super easy, right? So I'm going to take one of our new punches that you see here. Super wonderful, super cute. And just after this is cooled a little bit, pop this in and punch that out. And then this is going to just sit like so. On our card. Like that. So super fun, super easy. And once you've done one of our in colours, which is the Pretty Peacock, there's nothing stopping you from doing one in every colour. Let's cover that one. So we have a terracotta tile, Pretty Peacock, Rococo Rose. How have I lost it? Seaside Spray, and that is Purple Posy. So super cute, so many colours for you to choose from in the in colours, and I just love this design. So as I said earlier, all the products you've seen me use today are available to purchase from me via contacting me direct or via my online store. The link is in the description bar below. Also in the description bar below is links to individual items that I've used, as well as my social media. So you can follow me on there to see sneak peeks of future projects, as well as fun other little things that I'm getting onto. While you're down there, why not give this video a thumbs up and say hi, leave me a comment. And you can also share to your social media so everybody can see how super fun and easy it is to make such wonderful cards. I'll see you around. Bye.